August 4, 1:30. I haven't serviced this VIOS for 6 months. I serviced it. I serviced the VIOS end of March 2023. It is now first week October. So I went and bought the oil and the filter. It came as a package and shipped to me 140 peso. The filter, air filter, shipped to me. I actually bought 5. It was cheaper. So this is 80 peso, a couple of dollars, more or less. And I have added 20,000 clicks to the vehicle. Now, I could have chosen to service the vehicle every 4 months. However, the car is hardly used. But however, we recently have been traveling, so we kind of added a lot of kilometers to the odometer. And I figured the oil is a little bit thick. Last year, I serviced the vehicle once a year. Now, I noticed the oil was thick. And so I decided that every 6 months is how I'm going to service the vehicle. If I don't like the quality of the oil, I may go back to having it serviced once every 4 months. Many years ago, this car was serviced every 5,000 kilometers. It was still under warranty, so we didn't want to lose warranty. Now it's past warranty, so I decided that the car doesn't really need that much servicing. It hardly travels. Most of the time, this car is is on idle, which is bad. However, we run idle because of aircon. So that's the reason why we use this VIOS, and more time than not, it's idling, wasting gas. Taking out the filter was faster this time, and in the first time I did this, it took forever just to remove this one. Now just kind of I think 6 months is fine. Maybe I'll try a 4 month. I did a 20,000. Well, it's still clean. It's not dark. This is synthetic oil. If it was super dark, I'd be very concerned, but it's not as bad. I think I'll stay with 6 months. If it was very dark, I'd be really concerned, but it isn't. So I'll stay with 6 months for now. I'll continue monitoring it. So the whole thing of replacing the oil. The first time I did it, took me a couple of hours. This time, taking the oil and oil filter, it was less than 10 minutes. The longest time is draining the oil. Okay, that took half an hour or less. The longest was just draining the oil. We'll see. I'm just going to wait for the oil to settle, and then I'll look at the oil level. Okay, the car's been settling for several minutes. And it's alright. The level is right side of the dot, so it's fine. Thanks for watching.